There are people starting tonight who will make their first $500 this week, not next month, not after some course, tonight. The only difference between them and you is that they picked one of these 5 side hustles and actually started. $0 required. No inventory. No special degree. Just a phone, a laptop, and a few hours. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one to start and precisely how to do it. Let's get into it. The first hustle is the one most people sleep on, and it prints money faster than almost anything else on this list. AI-powered data labeling. Companies building AI need humans to review and label their training data. Images, audio clips, short text snippets, videos. They need to know if a photo contains a stop sign, if a sentence is positive or negative, if a voice clip is a man or a woman. This is not glamorous work. It is straightforward, repetitive, and it pays between $10 and $25 per hour, depending on the platform and the task type. Sign up for Scale AI's Remotasks platform, or Appen or Toloka. All free to join. You will take a short qualification quiz, pass it, and be assigned tasks immediately. Some data labeling projects pay per task, not per hour, which means a fast worker can earn well above the listed rate. The ceiling is real. Experienced labelers on specialized AI projects, medical imaging for example, can clear $30 or more per hour. You can do this on your couch at midnight. The queue never runs dry. AI companies are spending billions, and they need human reviewers for every single model they train. Start tonight. Get paid this week. The second hustle is one that most people think requires clients, a portfolio, and months of grinding. It does not. Faceless content reselling. Here is the mechanic. Go to Pexels or Pixabay and download free stock video footage. Take a trending topic, a viral finance concept, a news story, a how-to guide, anything people are actively searching for. Then use a free AI tool like CapCut or Canva to drop text on screen over the footage. Add a voiceover using a free AI voice generator and export. Post it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. You are not creating original content. You are assembling public domain or Creative Commons licensed footage into short, informative clips about topics people are already searching. Monetization kicks in through YouTube Shorts bonuses, TikTok Creator Fund, and brand deals once you hit even modest follower counts. But even before monetization, you can offer this as a service. Businesses and creators will pay $50 to $150 per short video for someone to handle this for them. Reach out to 5 local businesses tonight. 1 yes equals a recurring client. The third hustle is the one that nobody talks about because it sounds too simple. Prompt engineering as a service. OpenAI, Anthropic, and every AI tool company have transformed what small businesses can do with language models. But most business owners do not know how to write a good prompt. They type something vague, get a mediocre output, and conclude that AI is overhyped. You are going to be the person who bridges that gap. Spend 1 hour tonight learning prompt structures, few-shot prompting, chain of thought prompting, system role prompting. There are free guides on OpenAI's documentation page and dozens of free tutorials. Then, offer a simple service. You will write a custom prompt library for a business's specific use case. Email templates, customer service scripts, product descriptions, social media captions, all tuned to their voice and output format. Charge $150 to $300 for a prompt package. You can deliver it in an afternoon. Businesses that see their AI output quality triple will pay recurring monthly fees for prompt maintenance and updates. This is a skill gap that is enormous right now, and it will not stay enormous forever. The window is open in 2026. Get in now. Fourth hustle. This one has the highest income ceiling on the list, and it can realistically start generating revenue within 48 hours. Micro-consulting via Clarity.fm or similar platforms. The concept: People pay per minute for expert advice. A consultant on Clarity charging $3 per minute on a 30-minute call earns $90 for one call. Someone charging $5 per minute earns $150. Top earners on the platform make thousands per week. You do not need to be a world-class expert. You need to be meaningfully ahead of someone who is earlier in the journey than you. If you have spent 3 years in retail management, you know things a 22-year-old opening their first store would pay to learn. If you have navigated a job search in a specific industry, someone just starting that search will pay for a 20-minute call. Sign up for Clarity.fm tonight. Write a compelling one-paragraph bio that focuses on a specific outcome you can help with. Set your rate, and share your profile link in 2 or 3 relevant online communities. Reddit threads, Facebook groups, LinkedIn posts. The first call often comes within a few days. After 10 calls, you will have testimonials and social proof that justify raising your rate. The fifth hustle is the one actually printing the most consistent money right now among the people in my network who started in 2025 with nothing. AI-written print-on-demand listings on Etsy or Redbubble. 0 startup cost. No inventory. No shipping. Here is the full workflow. Go to Etsy or Redbubble and browse best-selling designs in a category, motivational quotes, funny pet shirts, niche hobby designs. Pick a niche you understand. Use ChatGPT or Claude to generate 50 variations of phrases in that niche in about 5 minutes. Run those phrases through a free design tool like Canva to lay them out on a simple graphic. Upload the graphic to Printful, which connects to your Etsy store for free, and Printful handles all printing and shipping when someone orders. You never touch a physical product. The startup cost is literally $0. Etsy charges a 20-cent listing fee per item, which you can absorb from your first sale. The income model is passive once listings are live. A store with 200 listings pulling in 10 to 15 sales per week at $5 to $8 profit. Each earns $50 to $120 per week without active work. Scale the listings, scale the income. People running this model with 1,000 plus listings and a few viral designs are pulling $2,000 to $5,000